Hello from Henan Palm Hotel in Boracay. I checked in yesterday actually, but this morning I'm going to explore around and I will show you everything. It's a bit windy today, but anyway, we will go and explore. And from the lobby you will go to the reception. Morning. 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 Here are information. I'm going to check the swimming pool and sky pool. I will also show you the beach. Here is first pool. I am not actually sure if... No, it's not going around the whole building. I will show you. So it's stopped there. And here is second pool. It's same like the first one. Morning.
Did you check out already? Huh? Did you check out already? How? Okay, you go to breakfast. Okay, see you. We go together, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
It's really nice. And here is a bar. I am going to try it. Wait a second. Oh, it's really good actually. Yeah, really good temperature. And behind that is a restaurant. I will go to the restaurant later on for a breakfast. Morning. And here is the beach. And even if it's windy, it's still so nice. And it's cloudy but hot. I really hope it will improve. So you have this sunbed here, you will get a towel. This is the sky pool. That's lovely. It's open from 10 till 9 and the bar is open till 10 here, 10 p.m. Nice. Welcome to my room in Hainan Palm Beach Hotel. Let's go and check it. Starting here with bathroom, it looks really nice. We have a bathtub, a sink, some amenities. Wow, really nice. Oh, foam, lotion. Nice, clean. A shower. Really good size. Shampoo and conditioner, and there is a soap. Let's go to the room. Here is a storage. They brought our luggage here. Safe. Umbrellas if you need that. This room actually can accommodate 3 adults. A mirror. I guess you can refill this on the corridor. Empty minibar. Here are some coffees, sweeteners, teas. Really nice. A kettle, TV, a desk, some table and chairs, and small balcony. We can see the pool. This is actually just one of the pool. There is, I think, 1 or 2 more. We will go and explore that later. Here are the opening hours, which I think are really odd. I was actually in the gym, but it's really small and I don't think that's actually good. I tried to do some exercise, but I don't really enjoy myself. I am checking out from Henan Palm Beach Hotel. I paid 95 pounds per room per night for 2 adults with a breakfast. It was nice hotel. I'm not going to say I did not like it. It was kinda alright. I probably had higher expectations, especially breakfast. It's so busy. I stayed in so many huge resorts, and it wasn't that busy because either the breakfast room was bigger or it was set up better. I don't know. But breakfast here, wow, it was no for me, and it's not that huge hotel actually. So I don't know, there is probably something wrong with the room for a breakfast. Other than that, it was good, clean. I really like the pools are open till late evening. So even if you explore the island or go to do some activities, you can swim after that, which is really good. Also price, they have some happy hours for cocktails in bars, which is perfect. 120 pesos I think it was for a cocktail during the happy hours, which is amazing. You can definitely get that in UK. And location is really good. I think I mentioned that earlier. It's in Station 2, which is really touristy spot, and you have everything here like bar, restaurant. But that's it from today review. Hopefully you like it. Stay tuned, take care, and see you later. Bye bye.